it's Alaina from Powertrain Products. Today in our shop we have a 5.7 Hemi engine. Similar to most other long blocks, this engine will include the block and the heads. When we come down to the timing components in the front there, you can see that we install new tensioners and guides. We do build them a bit stiffer than the original as well. Now this engine does have the MDS, so we do install brand new solenoids also. A known issue for this engine is the oil sludge problem. So we give you a high volume oil pump and we drill drain back holes in the engine to combat this. What typically happens, oil will pool up in this area here and essentially cook itself in the high operating temperatures this engine has. So the high volume oil pump working in conjunction with the drain back holes promotes proper oiling all over and allows it to move more freely as well. Another major issue with this engine is the dreaded Hemi tick. To fix this, we install new lifters and valve seats with an updated design. We then sim test the engine after we make all of these upgrades and back it with our powertrain promise before we send it to you. If you want to see about pricing and availability, you can always give us a call at 888-842-0023, or you can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.